Gail Banks. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Thank you to my new and my current subscribers. We are almost at 500, guys. And yes, there will be a huge giveaway. So the closer I get to 500, I'll tell you guys more about that. But today I'm here to share a project share with you guys. Unfortunately, I had to make some sympathy cards, and I pulled out my Griffin Sending Sympathy Card Making Kit. The kit comes with cards, envelopes, embellishments. This is really envelopes, flowers. It's an all-in-one kit that I use to make, that I use to make the sympathy cards. And I picked this up a while ago from Home Shopping Network, maybe about 3, 4, 5 months ago. So I pulled that out. I also used this Gemini Edgeable by Crafty Companion die, and I used just this piece. I didn't do all the pieces. I used this piece on one of the cards. And the other thing I used was my diamond press embellishments. It's just, little sparkly. They have a name, and for the life of me, I can't call it, but I use that. But everything else for the cards that I created came out of the Anna Griffin kit, including the inserts that go inside the card. So here's my first card. And everything you see came from the kit, except these little flatback pearls I got out of my stash. And it says, with heartfelt sympathy, and that's the inside. Thinking of you each day, sending prayers for strength and caring thoughts for comfort. And then on the back, that's there, and I just signed my name. But that's the first card I made. Move this out the way. That's the first card. Here's the second card. And on this card, this was where I used that edgeable die from Crafty Companion. And this is vellum. And here are some of those Anna Griffin flowers that was in the kit. Everything you see was in the kit except for that. I got that from my diamond press. And it says, wrapping you in prayers, thinking of you each day, sending prayers for strength and caring thoughts for comfort. So that's the second card. And this is the third card. What I like about the kit is you get the card, the embellishments, the sentiments, the flowers. It's an all-in-one kit when you really, you're trying to come up with something to make to send to someone to let them know that they're in your thoughts and your prayers for the loss of their loved one. And this is an all-inclusive kit. And it's the inside, extending deep and heartfelt sympathy to you and your family. So these are the 3 sympathy cards that I made with the Anna Griffin Sending Sympathy Card Making Kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. We would love to have you as part of our crafting community. Leave a comment below. I do respond to each and every one of my comments. I want to thank you again for taking the time to stop and watch my video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I want you to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.